Well, first of all, did Bosnia win? Did the Bosnian people win? And the answer is, I think most of them like to think that we are not only survivors, but also the winners. Not so much against another people, another country, but against the philosophy of hate, of ultranationalism, if you would, even fascism. And we survived that. And in many ways, though, Bosnia is still fighting that same battle. Thankfully, it's no longer on the battlefield. It's no longer by guns. But I'm afraid that the peace that ended that conflict now 17 years ago, Dayton, has left in many ways the forces that originally brought the war still empowered. So looking back upon 20 years, for most Bosnian Herzegovinians, it's still actually looking at the situation today and looking what the future holds. And there's still a lot of uncertainty.
Deals were made, safe havens were set up and then left undefended. When I look back at this, the record on Bosnia, it doesn't make anybody look good.
No, and I would have thought some lessons would have been learned. Yes, and that is you have to be always very present on the diplomatic table as you do have to be on the ground. One thing to really remind, particularly the Bosnian community, but also all of those around the world, NATO did not save Bosnia. The U.S. did not save Bosnia. Europe did not save Bosnia. What saved Bosnia is actually Bosnian soldiers and civilians on the ground, purely by not only surviving, but in effect bringing Milosevic's forces to a standoff or a draw. That's when the international community decided, well, the Bosnians aren't going to disappear. This is going to continue to look like something very ugly for us, so we better come in and deliver something that is at least a more presentable picture, and we won't look so bad.